Most people think hydration is just about hitting a daily water goal, but your cells are often starving even when you feel bloated. You are likely drinking plain water, yet your body is struggling to actually absorb it into your cells where it is needed for energy production. This is because cellular hydration depends on more than just fluid volume. It is a delicate dance of electrolytes, mineral gradients, and pH balance within your extracellular matrix. When your cells are dehydrated, your mitochondria, the power plants of your body, literally struggle to spin, leading to that mid-afternoon wall where your brain feels like it is moving through thick mud. If you are drinking 3 liters of water a day but still feeling lethargic, your intracellular absorption rate is fundamentally broken. Today, we are breaking down 5 science-backed hacks to pull water into your cells, supercharging your energy levels and clearing the mental fog that has been holding you back. Get ready to rethink everything you know about drinking water. Cellular absorption. The first hack for cellular hydration is understanding the sodium-potassium pump. Your cells cannot pull water in unless there is a specific mineral gradient established across the cell wall. Pure, distilled water often lacks the essential electrolytes required to facilitate this osmotic process, meaning it passes through your system without hydrating your internal structures. To fix this, you need a precise ratio of trace minerals, specifically sodium, potassium, and magnesium. By adding a pinch of high-quality sea salt and a squeeze of fresh lemon to your morning glass, you are creating a simple isotonic solution that signals your cells to open their membrane channels for immediate fluid intake. It is not just about the water, it is about the conductivity of the fluid. When you provide your body with these minerals, you essentially turn on the light switch for cellular energy production. This is the difference between feeling parched despite drinking all day and feeling truly deeply hydrated down to the mitochondrial level. Now let's look at the data. When we compare standard hydration, just plain water intake, against strategic electrolyte balanced hydration, the difference in ATP production is staggering. ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, is the energy currency of your cells. Without adequate cellular hydration, the Krebs cycle, which is responsible for creating this energy, begins to stutter and eventually slows to a crawl. Clinical observations show that when individuals optimize their hydration using mineral balance timing, they report a significant decrease in afternoon energy dips. By focusing on the cellular influx rather than just the volume consumed, you effectively stabilize your metabolism. This chart represents the average energy output observed over a 6-hour period following different hydration protocols. You can see the clear advantage provided by the balanced approach, which keeps cellular activity consistent instead of volatile. Steady-state energy. Maintaining this equilibrium is the secret to avoiding the 3 p.m. crash that so many of us fall victim to in the modern office environment. Our third hack is timing. You have likely heard that you should sip water throughout the day, but science suggests that front-loading your hydration upon waking is far more effective for long-term health. Your body loses significant water during sleep through respiration and skin evaporation, meaning you wake up in a state of mild physiological drought. If you wait until mid-morning to drink, you are forcing your organs to work in a dehydrated state for hours. Try consuming 500 milliliters of mineral-rich water within the first 20 minutes of rising. This acts as a biological wake-up call for your gut and kidneys, flushing out metabolic waste products accumulated overnight and preparing your cells for the day's metabolic demands. By front-loading, you establish a reservoir that your cells can draw from steadily, rather than playing catch-up for the remainder of the day. This simple habit drastically improves skin elasticity, mental clarity, and morning workout performance while reducing the strain on your cardiovascular system. The fourth hack involves the temperature of your water. While ice-cold water is often considered refreshing, room temperature or slightly warm water is significantly more effective at promoting quick cellular absorption and digestion. Extremely cold water can cause mild vasoconstriction in the stomach lining, potentially slowing the speed at which fluid leaves the stomach and enters the small intestine where it is absorbed. By opting for room temperature water, you bypass this physiological braking mechanism, allowing for faster transit time. This is especially critical if you are trying to hydrate quickly before a workout or after a long, dry commute. Think of it as biofluid compatibility. Your body does not have to spend extra energy warming the liquid up to core body temperature before utilizing it. This minor change in temperature preference can mean the difference between feeling hydrated in 10 minutes versus 40 minutes, directly impacting how you perform when you are feeling the pressure of a deadline or a high-intensity session. Our fifth and final hack is about structure. You do not have to just drink water. You can eat your hydration. Certain foods contain water that is naturally structured with minerals and enzymes, making it far easier for the body to assimilate than processed liquids. Think of cucumbers, watermelon, celery, and citrus fruits. These foods provide gel water that is held in a semi-solid state within the plant cells. When you ingest this gel water, your body processes it much more slowly and thoroughly, leading to sustained hydration levels that do not simply wash through you. This is essential for those who find themselves running to the bathroom constantly after drinking large amounts of fluid. By incorporating these high water content, nutrient-dense foods into your snacks, you create a slow-release hydration effect that keeps your energy levels elevated for hours. It is an incredibly simple, highly effective way to increase your hydration efficiency without ever needing to carry an extra bottle or chug plain water until you feel uncomfortable. Now that you know the 5 hacks, it is vital to listen to the feedback your body provides. Your body is a highly sophisticated instrument that tells you exactly what it needs, provided you know how to read the signals. Beyond the color of your urine, which is a classic indicator, look for signs like dry lips, tightness in your facial skin, or a subtle increase in resting heart rate. These are early warning signs that your cellular reservoir is dipping. If you notice these signs, do not wait for a full-blown headache to kick in. That is already a late-stage signal of system-wide dehydration. Instead, start your protocol early. Reach for your mineral-rich water, focus on your electrolyte balance, and eat a piece of hydrating fruit. By reacting to these subtle signals instead of waiting for symptoms, you maintain a level of consistent, high-vibration energy that most people never achieve. You are the architect of your own biological performance, and it all starts with the quality of the water you allow your cells to drink today. Let's map out your next 30 days. We aren't asking for radical, life-altering shifts that feel like work. We are asking for subtle, strategic pivots that integrate into your current routine. Week 1 is focused exclusively on the morning routine, front-loading your water intake with that critical pinch of sea salt. This primes your gut and sets your metabolism for the entire day. By week 2, you will introduce the temperature hack, avoiding ice water in favor of room temperature fluids to speed up your absorption process. In week 3, we layer in the electrolyte strategy, finding the specific mineral balance that keeps you energized without the crash. Finally, in week 4, we focus on adding the structured gel water, from whole foods to your snacks. By the time you reach the end of this month, these won't be hacks anymore. They will be the foundational pillars of how you live. You will notice a profound difference in your energy, your skin quality, and your ability to focus during the most demanding hours of your afternoon. Start tomorrow. The cognitive benefits of these habits are often more dramatic than the physical ones. When your brain cells are adequately hydrated, the transmission of neurotransmitters becomes significantly more efficient. Think of your brain as an electrical grid. If the wires are dry and brittle, the signal travels slowly and with high resistance. If they are properly hydrated and ionically balanced, the signal travels at peak speed. Based on reported metrics from our community, practitioners of these protocols show a measurable increase in task completion speed and focus depth by the end of the first week. This chart visualizes the improvement in cognitive fluid levels and mental focus over a standard work week. As you can see, the shift is not instantaneous but cumulative. With each passing day of proper cellular hydration, your brain fog dissipates, replaced by a sense of calm, sustained concentration that allows you to handle complex tasks with significantly less friction. It is quite literally brain optimization through chemistry. You now have the exact blueprint to transform your cellular health and unlock the consistent energy that has been hiding in plain sight. It is not about buying expensive supplements or changing your entire life overnight. It is about respecting the biological needs of your cells. Every cell in your body is a vessel for life, and it deserves the highest quality environment to thrive in. Start with one change tomorrow, just one, and watch as your energy levels stabilize and your mental clarity sharpens. If you found this dive into cellular biology helpful, join our growing community of biohackers. We post daily science-backed hacks that turn complex health data into simple, actionable habits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for our next deep dive into the hidden mechanics of your metabolism. Your body is a machine and you are the engineer. Let's keep optimizing until we reach peak performance. Thank you for watching and stay hydrated the right way. Consistent energy.